St. Luke's Aspirus today unveiled the newly finished 7th floor of their downtown Duluth building. That's where ribbon cutting was held to celebrate phase 2 of their Health Forward plan just completed. The main highlights include a new cardiac care unit, intensive care unit, skywalk, and more. The 83,000 square foot expansion is a $58 million project, including 60 new private patient rooms. As part of a growing medical scene in the city, leaders believe it will have a lasting impact.
The medical district that is physically forming within this part of our community, I think, is significant, because it's not just about Duluth, but really about 2 regions, northeastern Minnesota, northwestern Wisconsin, and of course far beyond.
Those new features highlighted today include natural lighting in each room, new patient monitoring services, and sustainable energy efficient designs.